For this example, remember we are working with a two-dimensional array in Visual Basic that we have pre-set up where we have 4 rows and 3 columns each of months. So here I have a text box that will hold the row, see, row TB, column TB that will do the column, and then we're going to spit the result into this first label inside of the Find the Month button. So double click on it. I am also, because this array is programmed into this button, I'm going to have to program all of my changes here below the array. So comment here, array is above, code is below, because otherwise you can't work with it. Business as usual from here, going to create 2 different integers to hold our text box data, and I recommend calling them exactly what they are: dim row and dim column. And from here we're going to do a try parse. So I called that first one the row TB. So row TB dot text goes to the row, and then repeat for the column. And what we're going to do is we're going to enter numbers inside here and return that position of the array. So label 1.text, because that is where our result is going to go, is going to equal, and now we need to call to the array of row comma, because we're separating it out with commas, row column, or row comma, and then the column number. Let's see what we get. Keeping in mind January's here at 00. If I type in a 0 here and a 0 here, we get January. If I move to the next column, then we get February. If I type in a number that's too big, it'll default to February. Oop, no it won't. This will tell me I have an index out of range exception. And that is normal, and that's something inside a program we will need to account for. Let's look at another example here. I'm going to move this up and over so we can see this. April is at row 1, column 0. So we can see there's April. I can go all the way up to 3 in the rows. 0, 1, 2, 3, go to October. If I do 3, 0, 1, 2, I can get December. Hopefully you're seeing how this pattern works, how it works like a grid. We're going to look at a few other ways to handle this data input.